Hello students, welcome to today's session of science. Today we are going to start a new lesson, chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. Children, you all have seen many types of plants in our surroundings. Some plants are small, some are very big, and some are medium-sized plants. And if we observe them carefully, we can see a wide variation in the leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Just we will think of the leaves. Some leaves are very small, some are elongated. Elongated means long leaves. And there are some plants without any leaves also. Which plants do not have leaves? The desert plants mainly have very small leaves, or the leaves are modified into thorns or the spines in desert plants. Either they have no leaves, and if having, they will be modified into spines or thorns. And if we consider the flowers, we can see a great variation. There are some plants without any flowers. Such plants are called non-flowering plants. And if we consider the flowering plants, some plants are having very small flowers, like wheat, rice, etc. have very small flowers which are not very attractive even. And there are some plants having white flowers, like jasmine. And generally, the white flowers have good smell. And many plants are there which bear brightly colored flowers, like a shoe flower, rose, marigold, etc. And if we take the fruits, more and more variation we can see. Just you think of the various types of fruits we get from the market. And also think that all these fruits grow in different plants. And there are variation in the seeds also. Just you think of the plants having the variation in their stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Okay, that means plants are of diverse types, different types. And we will see now what are the various types of plants and how they are different. And as an example, I have taken 3 plants. One tomato plant. See in the picture, you can see the tomato plant. And this is the lemon tree. And also just you think of the mango tree. It's very common. You all are very familiar with mango tree. So that picture I have not taken. We will consider the parts above the ground. Roots are the main part, but roots grow below the ground. So that I have not shown now. Here, first you will consider the stem. So in case of the tomato plant, the stem is green in color, right? It's green in color, and also it is very slender and tender. Tender means delicate, and also slender, not much broad. And if we consider the lemon plant, the stem is hard. It is not slender like that of the tomato plant. The stem is hard and it is woody. And you think of the stem of the mango plant. Sorry, mango tree. It is very thick and hard stem. A mango plant has very thick and a hard stem. Now we will consider the branches. In tomato plant, some may have branches, but very small branches will be there. And there are some type of small plants without any branches even. And in lemon, we can see the branches. They are very near to the base, very near to the soil. We can see the branches. And if we consider the mango tree, we can see large branches mainly on the upper portion. They are away from the ground. Mainly the branches are on the upper portion. There may be some branches at the base also, but more of the branches will be on the upper portion. And this way, according to the size of the plant, we can consider the plants as herbs, shrubs, and trees. Now, the tomato plant will be coming under the groups of herbs. The plants of the type of tomato, they are coming under herbs. And the plants like a lemon, They are coming under the groups of shrubs. SHRUBS shrubs. And mango, then a neem, they are all included in trees. Now we will see the characteristics of each of these plants. See, based on the characters, plants can be classified into three categories: herbs, shrubs, and trees. Plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. For example, tomato and also the lady's finger, then tulsi, wheat, paddy. These all plants are coming under the group of herbs, and they live for a short time only, maximum 1 or 2 years only they live. They are usually short and may not have many branches. Now, there are some plants which have the stems branching out near the base, and the stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called like shrubs. It means shrubs are the plants which have the stem mainly branching out at the base, and they have hard stem but not very thick, and they live for some more years, near about 10 to 15 years. Such plants are called like shrubs. Now, there are some plants which are very tall and have hard and thick brown stem. The stem have branches mainly on the upper part, much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. So trees are very large plants. They have mainly the branches on the upper part, and they have thick and hard brown stem. Can you say more example for trees? Neem tree, banyan tree, mango tree, then a coconut tree. They are all large trees. Okay, children. Now, is there any plant which are not coming under the group of herb, shrub, or trees? Yes, there are many plants, you know. And some of these plants have very weak stems. Their stems are so weak that they cannot stand erect. And this, the type of the plants which I explained, like herb, shrubs, and trees, they have erect stems. They can stand erect. They can stand upright. But there are some plants which are having the weak stems, and because of the weak stem, they cannot stand erect. Some of these plants, they spread on the ground and grow. Such plants are called like creepers. So creepers are weak stemmed plants, and they spread on the ground. For example, watermelon and all types of melon, muskmelon, then a pumpkin, cucumber, all these are the examples of creepers. Now, some other weak stemmed plants, they take the support of other structures and grow erect. Such plants are called the climbers. So climbers are also weak stemmed plants, but they take the support and grow erect. For example, grapevine, pea plant. These are all the examples of climbers. Children, today I am ending up, and the next day we will learn about the different parts of the plants in detail. Okay, bye.